for Thomas.
Grant. Hey.
Call.
You feeding him to him?
Yeah, those are for Thomas.
I caught that on camera, you filching Santa's cookies.
Oh, sweet.
Are those for Santa Claus?
You.
Milk? Milk?
What's wrong with the milk?
Is that eggnog?
Call. Call.
Claus.
You want a drink of Santa's milk?
No.
No.
Careful.
Oh, watch out. Watch out. Oh, look, there's chocolate cookie in Santa's face. How sweet.